Hello, I'm Jezebel DeVille and welcome to my channel. So currently we are in a lockdown situation and it is week 8 that we've been locked down, I think, and I need to do some crafty stuff to try and keep uplifted. So I've decided to try and get back into crochet, and my first project I've decided to crochet is a 1940s Snood. I've always wanted to make one, but I've never managed to figure it out. I've never got round to it. I've never had the right wool, blah blah blah. So I'm gonna give it a go. I went and found a pattern online, and now I need to try and find some wool in my massive box of wool. So here we have the big box of wool, and when I say big box of wool, I mean a big box of wool. I have lots of these sort of baby style yarn, lots of pretty colours, lots of black, because lots of black, this sort of fluffy wool that everyone was into making scarves out of at some point. But I also have this very sparkly, sort of pinky kind of yarn from B&M, $2.99, lovely. And I think I'm gonna try and make a snood out of this because I think it would suit quite nice. And I also have in here somewhere a silver yarn like this. So here it is. So if it goes well with the pink, I'll probably try and make one out of the silver. So I suppose we should get started. For this project you're going to need some yarn, a crochet hook, some elastic, and of course some scissors. The pattern I'm using today is this free vintage crochet pattern for a perky snood, and I found this at Victory Vintage on Blogspot. The link will be down below. So now I have my pattern, I have my yarn, and I have my crochet hook. So let's get started. Ta-da. That was quite the achievement because I've not done crochet for a very long time. So first, chain 49. See you in a while. So we have our chain of 49. Now it is time for the first long treble crochet in the 12th stitch from the hook. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we wrap once, twice, 3 times into the hook. 4 through 2. 2. 1, 2, and the last 2. Oh. And we have our first little hoop. Only lots left to go. So we have row 2 all done. Ta-da! Crochet patterns are hard. I think that's what it means, so that's what I'm gonna do. I've done a boo-boo. I've repeated those rows, so now I have a total of 8 rows, but I did them wrong. So what I have to do now is unravel all of those 6 rows that I have just done. So now I've unravelled all of this and we are back. About to do row 2 again. So I have now redone those 6 rows properly, meaning I have 23 little boxes all across the top. So now row 9. So I have now reached just about to start row 17, and as you can see, the Snood has got considerably larger. So we've got to the end of row 17, and this is where we start to do the decrease. So start off doing a normal treble over into that space and pull through. So you've got your 5 loops. So then pull through 2, you've got 4, pull through 2, you've got 3, and pull through 2 again. But now we leave these 2 stitches on the hook and we yarn over 3 times and then go into the 5th stitch in our little chain. 4, 5, pull through. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stitches on the hook. So we go through 2, through 2, through 2, and then these 3 stitches, and we go through all 3. And that is how we decrease. We have a little triangle there instead of a little square.
Very wise, Fiddly's eyes keep telling lies, Fiddly's wise about the drink when she's with Coca-Cola Gink. She lets them buy until they sigh and cry, when what do you think? Right in her boots, right in her boots, right in her boots, right in her boots, right in her boots. She's got a plan, and they could get a trip to heaven if they only had the brains to ask what Fiddly winks.
So we have now reached the end of all of our rows, and this is what it's looking like. A big circular net pattern. I have done my chain 1, and this time we don't turn because it is time to add the elastic. Now it says in the pattern to use round elastic, but sadly I don't have any. I have just this sort of flat elastic, but I think it'll work.
Each one could do the dip at the mermaid's fancy ball in Father Neptune's hall. The little eels were pickled and they did a naughty wiggle. Although it shocked a few old crabs, it made the bluefish giggle at the mermaid's fancy ball. They had no bar at all, but I didn't hear a sigh, for not a guest was dry at the mermaid's fancy ball. A mackerel who was soused, he said, lay down in an oyster bed, which put the oysters in an awful stew. The clams stretched out their little necks, which made that mackerel very vexed. The things he said I dare not tell to you. But when the drum beat,
the elastic is all in. I've done a slip knot attaching it to the first stitch, and our snood is finished. So now I'm going to go try it on. See you in a minute. So here is the finished product, and I am really happy with it. It wasn't, it wasn't as complicated as I thought it'd be, but trying to read crochet patterns is still quite complicated for me. And even though I did mess up and have to like undo 6 rows of stitches, it didn't take too long to get back to where I was. But I think the colour is really nice, and it's going to go with a lot of stuff that I've got, and I'm just very happy to have my own snood that I have crocheted myself. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and a comment, and let me know if you'd like to see a little hair tutorial of how you can wear your hair in some vintagey styles with a little snood. But until then, I'll see you all later. Bye!